Hi everyone, this is Fred from Landscape Plus here, and today I wanted to show you how to reset your smart lights within the in-light system. The reason you may want to do this is because if you have a sample case and you're showing a client, if you ever go to a different site with a different client, you'll need to reset any smart lights that you had connected. You may also, in a realistic setting, have these already set on a zone. Say you wanted to change the zone that they're on to a different area of the garden, you would then need to reset your smart lights so that it can then find them on the separate zone. So the first light that I want to show you is the SMART SCOPE Tone. Now we have this already set up on a colour there, so we need to reset this, and to do that you need to go around the edge of the bezel until you find the little in-light logo embossed in the edge there. Then you want to take your magnet, which is included with every fitting, and you just need to go near enough to that in-light logo and it will start to flash blue and white, at which point you need to try and hold it there, which we will do now. There we go. And then it will go into colour changing mode. So now it will cycle through all the colours, and that indicates that it is now reset and ready to be put back on another zone. So the next light we have here is the SMART EVO FLEX Tone. As you can see, between the easy lock connector and the strip light, there is this driver. This is where we'll need to reset the light. So you can see on there we've got the magnet symbol. All you need to do is get your magnet, and again it's just a matter of finding that point where the smart light starts to reset. Can be a bit fiddly, but just stick with it. And there we are. So now that that's reset, you can see again that it's cycling through the colours, and that means that that is now fully reset and ready to be moved to a different zone. So that is how to reset the smart lights. But if you've got a sample case and you need to reset your smart hub, what you need to do is on the side, you'll notice the button here. So all you need to do is hold that for 14 seconds. There we go. And you'll notice that the light, after those 14 seconds, will start to flash really rapidly. And that is a sign that it is resetting. So once it's done that, all you need to do is let go of there, and there we go. And there we go, that's reset. So next time you turn that on, you'll be able to reprogram it on your phone, and it will act as a factory reset, brand new transformer. So that is how to reset your smart lights and your smart hub transformer. If you do have any questions, just call the office and we'll be happy to help.